This is just like a quick review. And this is only what I found. So it's, you know, I have never fed a protein tub before. They come 200 pounds. But with the rains and the floods this year, our grass has suffered. Plus, we've overgrazing it right now. So the cows, it took its toll on the cows with all the rains, and you know, it hurt their feet, hurt them. Period. Not just ours, everybody around here's. So I decided I'd try one of these protein tubs. I've never fed one before, and so I wanted to find the best one. The co-op was outrageous. I mean, they were way priced too high. So that left me with Tractor Supply and Rural King. So I looked there, $46.99, $46.99, $49.99. This one they did not have in the store. They had this one and they had this one. They didn't have much of them left. And as you can see, these are $49.99. So I don't know if they had any of the rest of them or not. I went with this one. And the reason being, I mean, I wanted to go with something cheaper. And I still don't know what you're supposed to do exactly for the cattle. But, you know, anything will be an improvement. So I went and bought this one. And so far, I think it was a good choice. They've eat to about right here, maybe right here now. I've got 44 cows and calves up there. And this is set out for going on 3 weeks. And I just now eat down to like this. And the reason why I did go with this one, which was more expensive, is I looked at this one. Now they had the red one in the store. I only had to think of one of these. But when I went to go look at the they're going to show reviews. When I went to look at these, there was reviews on it. Let's see if it. Okay, yeah, they've taken the reviews off. It just pisses me off when the place does that. It had 5 reviews on this tub. And all 5 of them were 1 star, and all 5 of them were the same reason. They said it was so soft the cows had it eat in no time. And one of them even said that his cow would eat it and eat so much of it. One of his cows, that it had the scares. Well, the last thing you want is the scares. I mean, if you're trying to build them up, you know, you don't want them to shit themselves to death. This, however, came up with 4 stars, and I commend Tractor Supply for even doing that, because I mean they've got some bad reviews in this to have 4 star, which is still 3 stars more than what the Rural King had when I looked, and I'm so glad that I looked when I looked. I had no idea Rural King does this. So when I looked, all of them said if it's a red tub, walk away. It's not worth it. And I can't believe they took the reviews off. So when I looked, while I was going through to see who had what, and, what stuff like that, they did have this. But when I looked at this one, it had no reviews. So now I'm questioning, since they took the reviews of this off, did this have that bad of reviews too? Maybe, maybe not. But it sure does look funny and having no reviews when this one right here had bad reviews and they cleaned them off. And so you know what with Tractor Supply, it's a few dollars higher, but if it works better, well, let's face it, you can pay a fraction of that. And if it don't work, then you ain't got nothing. You just throwed your money away. I didn't go with the 16%. Like I said, I've never fed this before, so I really didn't know what to expect. It does seem, it's not a miracle worker, but it does seem like it's helped some of the cattle out. And they take their time. They go over there, take turns. They'll go over and scrape on it a little bit. And I'm real impressed on how well it lasted. And like I say, it does seem to have a positive effect on the cows. So anyway, that's just a comparison. I still can't believe that they did that. Makes me question everything they do now. So you're gonna buy one, this one. I don't know about that one. Well, that one's got 4 stars. I would not buy the Real Kings, simply because this one did have 5 1-stars. This one had no stars. Now this one has no stars, which means that they have took this one. They possibly have taken the reviews off of that because they weren't up to snuff. So that's dishonest. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.